Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Guys, spring is upon us. It is now officially dragon fruit season, so I'm starting to put things in motion as far as the dragon fruit is concerned. So I just went and picked up a garden tool. I picked up this dolly right here. It's a little rusty, but that's okay. I don't need it for the looks. I bought this bad boy for 20 bucks. And originally, it looks like they were trying to sell it for 150 bucks. Very sturdy, very stable, real big tires to roll over the grass. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this trellis over here. As you can see, it's leaning to the side, so I'm gonna try to stabilize it and move it to this side right here where this empty space is, so that can get some sun and we'll get a whole bunch of yellow dragon fruits off of that this year. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. So I ended up getting the dolly because I don't have help in the garden and the the pots are pretty heavy, so I feel I'll be able to tilt it and roll it to the side and stabilize it with some fence wood that I picked up from the big box store. All right, so that's the project for right now. You guys wish me luck. I'll come back and I'll update you and let you see the before and after. So this is before, and hopefully I can get it together for the after. All right, you know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Do me a huge favor, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. All right, guys, so we were able to move the dragon fruit trellis from here to there. It was definitely hard work, but I needed to get this trellis into the sun for the new season to make sure that I get the biggest yield that I could possibly get out of these yellow dragon fruits. So I had to trim back a lot of it, but now this space is ready, freed and cleared, and then I'm just gonna come back and adjust this a little bit later on in the day. I might put another 2 pieces right here to stabilize this trellis. All right. If you like the content, please hit the like, share, and subscribe. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.